Welcome to the Vagabond Kitchen. This is a special episode this week. I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm coming to you from inside our truck camper kitchen, living room, bedroom. And today I'm going to be sharing with you my attempt at sourdough English muffins. So let's get right into it. So I'll just run through the ingredients real quick. Now this is not my recipe. It's just something I found online. I think it's from Little Spoon Bakery. I'll post a link to it below if you want to try this yourself. First we need 100 grams of active starter. Now I've had this going for a couple days. This is Gertrude. This is actually a little bit of a challenge to maintain in a camper because the temperatures fluctuate so much. She lives in the microwave a lot, but when I need to use the oven, I have to put her in a cupboard. But she's ready to go right now. So we're starting off with 100 grams of active sourdough starter. To that, we're going to be adding 20 grams of honey, 240 grams of milk, 360 grams of all-purpose flour. I use the King Arthur all-purpose flour, and 5 grams of sea salt. Now we will use a little bit of cornmeal, but that's for tomorrow morning. I'm just kind of loosely gonna get this together with my hands, and I'm gonna let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes before I come back to it. I present to you the bread kneader.
I was just sitting outside relaxing. Hey, come help me. Next time I'm wearing an apron.
Yeah. Okay, you're not in frame though. You have to come here.
Your
head's a little cut off, I guess.
What am I doing?
Well, I'll show them first what this looks like. Looks like this. And Dave's just going to get in there. I don't think I'm going to put it on the table. I think you could just knead it in the bowl. It just really needed for 5 minutes.
It needs kneaded.
Yes. So, have at it.
Okay.
Did you wash? Yeah, you just washed.
I just washed.
Okay.
So, okay. Oh,
I think
what the?
It's sticky.
Come on. Come on.
No, you just get in there. Just do one, I think one hand, like
well,
this kind of thing.
It's too late.
That's good. Okay, now just hold the bowl with one hand.
Okay.
It's okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this is terrible.
Well, it'll tighten up. That's the point of kneading. It'll get there, I promise. We managed to get this pretty little dough ball right there. You're a mess.
Glad I could help.
You sure helped. All right, so meet us back here in the morning. This is gonna set overnight, 8 to 12 hours, room temperature, 65 to 70 degrees, but it is a bit warmer in here, so it might rapidly rise. I'll try and keep it cool. And then we have another step in the morning with another hour-long proof, so meet us back here for that. Good morning. I'm very tired. I had a long night fighting mosquitoes. Crystal, what are we doing? She says good morning too. This did pretty good. Your kneading went well. Because this was a success. Look at that. Look at all those air bubbles. Those are going to be filled with butter here in a little bit. So what I have over here is a pan. Now this, I should have parchment paper on. Turns out I'm out of parchment paper in here, so I'm trying tin foil. That's all I've got. And this is cornmeal. I put more on than I probably would have if I had parchment, but I really don't want these to stick. So I'm going to be turning this out onto the table, floured surface, and pressing it out to about 1 inch thick. And then I'm going to be making the English muffins, and I don't have a biscuit cutter or a cookie cutter, so I'm using this Tupperware. It's about 3 inches, I would say, around, but you know, make them smaller, make them bigger, whatever. And then once they're on this pan with the cornmeal, I'm gonna cover them, and then they set for another hour to proof again. So let's do it. Okay, I'm putting a little cornmeal on top. This is probably not the way to do it, but that's how it's done. These are huge, so I only got 6 of them, and they're definitely not 1 inch thick, so we'll just see how these shape up when they proof. And we're gonna take Pistol for a morning walk. When we come back here, we will be putting these in a pan and actually cooking them on the stovetop. These do not get baked. They're actually cooked in a big pan with a lid. So join us back here, and within an hour and a half we're going to be eating English muffins. Okay, we took Pistol for a walk. We ran into some rain actually. So we came back and our dough has puffed up nicely. We are going to start with just our little extra nuggets and 2 of the English muffins till we get the temperature dialed in on the pan. Now you want to do this on low heat. Preheat the pan on low heat, non-stick pan, and no oil. So it's just gonna go in dry, kind of brush the cornmeal off a little bit. Put them in the pan, cover it. So it needs a nice lid, and you want 4 minutes each side. So the low heat prevents it from burning on the outside, but still cooking the inside. So the inside should be nice and cooked, and the outside kind of a golden brown. So he's distracted by vines.
I'm gonna climb.
Focus! We're English muffining here. Okay, so we have our pan that is preheated enough or not yet?
I want to wait a little while. This takes a while
to warm.
And I can't see the flame.
Yeah, because it's very low.
So I'm gonna let it sit for a while.
They're going in. I think you do want to leave, yeah, this is good space. I think it said 2 inches between the muffins.
These are just bonus pieces.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens.
And once they start cooking, they will release from the pan a little bit. They won't be sticky, I don't think. Not that long. There you go. Okay, 4 minutes. You got a timer?
Yep.
Okay, I think, oh yeah, they're smoking. Okay. I think we'll just flip them and see what happens here. But I think they could go longer. Or warmer. Curious to see that one. He's really... Oh, see, he was starting to get a little color, so we'll see how this other side goes. Okay, 4 minutes this side. Woo, it got steamy. Okay, that's looking more like it. I think we got the temperature maybe dialed in better. Yep. What do you think? Yeah, look at that. Maybe another minute on that side and then they're probably good. Oh, he says.
Butter.
Butter, yes. Look at that, you guys. Not doughy. Not doughy at all. That is cooked through. Wow. I'm impressed. Do the honors.
Oh, you do it.
Me?
Yep.
Oh, well, that was not near enough butter. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. But not really. I had an extra sour sourdough too going on. The starter was super sour.
God,
This is so delicious.
that's dangerous.
I feel like the outside could be cooked a little bit more. Actually, no, that's not it. The inside should be toasted. So next one we'll open this up and we'll toast it in the pan on the inside. We don't have a toaster on board, but
Definitely got some sour to it.
oh man, I can't even tell you how good this is. And it smells incredible. I definitely recommend trying this. It's trial and error. Again, I'll put a link to the actual recipe below. I think our friend Lori in Tennessee sent me the recipe originally because she tried it and it was delicious. I have to say it's a winner. I definitely would. I feel like there's room for error. I mean, you could see we didn't have the temp right. Kind of fussing with that. You could see how we kneaded the dough. I like it. It's forgiving. It's delicious. You got to try it. All right, we'll see you down the road for another adventure. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.